Everything in the house looks so great after you cleaned, even the bathroom, except for that old hard water mineral stain you could never get rid of. No matter how many of those chemical cleansers you tried under your sink, most of them 100% toxic and harmful to you, your family, and your pets, you could never get rid of that rusty ring in your toilet. Not anymore. Get a handle on that mineral buildup in your toilet bowl and even your sink with the all-new ToiletStone. The all-natural cleaning abrasive block, ToiletStone, takes those stains right out, and it conforms to the shape of your toilet bowl to get the tough spots. It's what many homeowners and professional cleaners call a real game changer. Just listen to what Joe in Washington State had to say about how safe, effective, and money-saving ToiletStone really is. I'm 61 years old and have probably taken the time to submit a review about a product 3 times in my life. But the new ToiletStone more than qualified to warrant my time. It is incredible. I was close to spending $500 for a new green toilet since my old one had the calcium lime stains that all super products and chemicals did not even attempt to remove. And the cleaning secrets like vinegar soaked on a paper towel, etc., they were useless. ToiletStone to the rescue. With a little elbow grease, our toilet looks brand new, and our bank account is $500 richer. Bravo! And thanks, Joe, Newport, Washington. Yes, with just a little elbow grease and no chemicals, these hard water mineral stains disappear fast. You can finally get rid of toilet bowl stains for good. For a bathroom that looks great for your guests and family without the nauseating smell of chemical cleaning fumes. See the fascinating story about how we make ToiletStone at the How It's Made video on our website. And remember, you can buy ToiletStone here online or shop for it at stores listed on our site. And seriously, think about getting rid of that hazardous toxic waste dump under your sink. Here are 5 good reasons to do it. With ToiletStone, you won't need them anymore. And your guests will never see that ugly toilet stain in your bathroom ever again.